guys, I'm gonna get to putting on the seat covers real quick. It comes with the detailed instructions. Literally everything you need in order to install it is included with the kit. So I'm gonna get to putting it on real quick. Just slide it in like a glove, push it down just like that. So there's these plastic chucks right here that you're just gonna press underneath the seat, and then behind the seat is gonna sit flush and prevent the seats from like lifting up. This is how it should look. You could see the chucks are holding the seat covers in place, and then behind the seat covers there's these hooks that you're just gonna fish underneath and find a location in which these will grab. Cool thing, these even have a pocket for the back. Gonna put the headrest part on now. So you got your bag of chucks and hooks. So for this piece right here, you're gonna just simply insert it like that, and then you shove the chuck in between the crease of the seat, and then it holds the seat into place. Pretty easy for a drastic change in the interior. Yo, now both whips have red guts. Look at that. The K5 and the Stinger. Now time for its first oil change in over a year now. The car's still